Hello, everybody. My name is Arvind Sabhani, and a warm welcome to all our YouTube viewers. We are really happy to see so many of you over here, and the crowd is growing. We have just started the channel, and it's getting very interesting. But let me start off today's discussion by asking you a question. What is event management? A lot of you will answer saying that it is doing a party, it is doing a wedding, it is doing a rally, or it is doing a birthday party, or so many other things. But let me give you a definition, guys, and please write this down. Event management is the use of unconventional media. It is the use of an unconventional media or method involving people witnessing a happening within a certain capsule of time for the purpose of communicating a message. Sounds like rocket science? Let me repeat it. Event management is the use of unconventional media. That means you're doing something that is out of the ordinary, okay? Involving a certain number of people. It has to be done within a certain amount of time, and it is for the purpose of communicating a message. That is what is event management. And let us understand that, guys, okay? And it's very important for people who are looking at this. There are various courses in event management. There is a certificate program, a one-year program. People are offering diplomas in event management. There's a BBA in event management. There are MBAs in event management. So there is a wide array, including online programs. There's a wide array of courses in event management. But what is it that you want? So when you put out your fishing rod and you want to look for a course in event management, do your research properly. Do your research properly. Don't land up in the wrong event management course. That is my sincere advice to you, right? Okay. Now, which course you take up is also a lot to do with what you have academically studied till now. So the eligibility for the various kinds of courses that are there in event management, if you have to do an MBA in event management, obviously you have to be a graduate, right? You have not finished graduation, you can do a certificate program in event management, right? You have finished your 10th or 12th standard and you want to get into event management, there are part-time courses in event management. So the amount of courses in event management are lots. So go for a proper counseling session. Understand this properly. Where do you fit in? Don't make a mistake on this, because you might land up. See, we have students who come and take up courses and leave. We don't want that to happen to you, right? Okay. The money in event management is very large. Okay. The salary structure, you might start off with 5, 10, 15, 20,000 rupees. Okay. That is where you will start off with. But I'll tell you, the growth is phenomenal. Yeah? It is phenomenal. And when I talk about starting salaries of that amount, let me tell you what happened last month. One of our students from Team I, okay, from an online program, has started off on a salary of 7.65 lakhs per annum. Okay. And you will see his video also somewhere in this YouTube. I'm going to be interviewing him soon. Right. So even that is possible. Right. So even that is possible. Right. Okay. You do a course, you want a job. If you join the proper institute, it is their responsibility to get a job. You want to start your own business. You want to start up event management space of your own, okay? They're supposed to help you. We're here to help you for that, right? You want to do a startup. We will put down everything from the way the company is from, to the chartered accountants, to the lawyers, the legal, the HR, and what have we. All of that will get taken care of. So don't worry about that at all. That will be the responsibility of the place where you have studied. But please study. Don't think for a moment that you have done one event here in college, I've become event manager. Please take up a course. This is again a very big piece of advice and a sincere advice and actually a request. Don't go and muck up and spoil your life by trying to do event management without doing a formal education. Today, formal education is available in event management and you must take it up. Coming back to the startup and the profits, okay? Put up you have the client, more important, you have the client. Start your own company. Profits are phenomenal. 15% is the bare minimum profit. That is the bare minimum. It can go up. See, I cannot talk about profits and money very largely over here. I have a lot of clients also watching this. So we have to be a little sensitive on that issue, right? Okay. So that is about event management. And if there are any questions, always willing to help anybody. No questions asked, and we are there for you. Okay. At our institute, TMI, the Entertainment and Media Institute, okay, we can promise you everything that I have spoken about. Anybody who joins our institute, you want a job, you will get a job. Okay, there is no absolute doubt about that. Okay, there is absolutely no doubt. Provided that you follow a certain guideline that is laid out by our institute. The guideline is also very simple. Okay, it says attend all classes. It says attend all exams, attend all events, okay, and go and get a job. It will happen because the faculty who come in to TMI to teach, and there are over 170 faculty who have come in so far, they are all from the industry. And it is the industry people who are available for you to give you a job. Most important, do not forget, pass the word, tell your friends who are interested in careers in event management. We are here on this channel to counsel you and give you free advice. And don't forget to subscribe.